Hello, my name is Oscar. One of the water on the world and Machu Picchu. Hello, Mom. How are you? I hope to you well. Until you day stay, I am in the country of Peru, in the city of Cusco. Scanowing Machu Picchu. One of the water on the world and the tourist place of Lima. I am aware of this almost architectural, historical, and spiritual world. I am working and visiting beautiful landscape, look tropical vegetation, and I am tourist architectural, city and local major. In this photo and method in the fort on the Inca city of Machu Picchu, where you can see giant works, terraces, and ramps. My windrows covered behind the Inca Empire is built on mountains 240 meters above sea level. All could also see the beautiful landscapes and vegetation of the city of Cusco. I am super the architecture and cultural programs of the Inca Empire. It is 100. Vegetation Machu Picchu are on the mountain main tourist destination in the world on understand for its cultural impact. The architecture beautiful gathered in the stone. Unlike the stone construction is mountains on the temples, the monuments also till utility are many arches Taibido T sound as hinting, climbing, descent, parading, and hoverbat. Reading in Peruan Paso Horse. I am working a typical world touring from Cusco, Orange Punk, and red speaker and red shirt because I am very cool around Cusco. Reading, see you soon. Thank you.